Hello students, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discuss most important POIQ, previous year's questions, which is highly important for your examination. Now let's say this is the question. Which term of the progression 20, 19 1 by 4, 18 1 by 2, 17 3 by 4 and this is the first negative. If you go on writing this one, which term you are going to get the first negative. Now let me write the AP. What is the given AP? The given AP is the given arithmetic progression is 20 and 19 1 by 4, 18 1 by 2, 17 3 by 4 and so on. So what is my first term? My first term is 20. So A is equals to 20. In fact, we can find also D, A2 minus A1. So 19 1 by 4 minus 20. My A2 minus A1. This gives me 77 by 4. 19 4 is 76 plus 1 77 minus 20. Further, if I simplify, I'll get 77 minus 80 by 4. That is minus 3 by 4. So the D value is minus 3 by 4. Now, I have to decide which term is the first negative. Let me consider. Let me take as AN be the first negative. AN be the first negative. First negative. So I am taking that my nth term is the first negative. If nth term is the first negative, then what is my nth term? My nth term is an. So this an is the first negative. Negative means I think less than 0. So definitely an will be less than 0. Hope you are understanding this one. He is telling the first negative. Negative means less than 0. So my nth term, which what I am taking, this is the term which is the first negative. So that is nth term. I am considering let the nth term be the first negative. So this nth term will be the first negative. First negative means less than 0. What is the formula of an? A plus n minus 1 into D is less than 0. But what is A? A is there 20 plus n minus 1 because I have to find which term into D and D is already there minus 3 by 4. This would be less than 0 or 20 just to multiply minus 3n by 4 minus 3 into n minus 3n by 4 plus 3 1 is 3 by 4 less than 0. If I further simplify 20 plus 3 by 4 this one if I do 20 plus 3 by 4 will be a 80 plus 3 83 by 4 minus 3n by 4 which is less than 0 or what I am going to get 4 83 minus 3n less than 0 or 83 minus 3n is less than I think 0 getting I think because here nothing means 1 cross multiply 83 minus 3n into 1 nothing means 1 is less than 0 or what I can say 83 is less than 3n but if I find what is n 83 is less than 3n can I write 3n is greater than 83 because if 83 is less than 3n so obviously this will be greater than this one 3n will be greater than 83 or n will be greater than 83 by 3. If I divide this one what I am going to get look at it if I divide 83 upon 3 to the 6 2 23 3 7 is 21 that is 2 so what I'm getting n is greater than 27 2 by 3 that means n value the term would be more than 27 so can I write like this more than 27 means it must be either greater than or equals to 28. because it is given more than 27. More than 27, definitely the first number is 28. So it must be either equal to 28 or more than 28. So which term will be the first negative? The first negative will be my 28th term. So therefore 28th term is the first negative. First negative. I hope understood. Very simple, nothing is there. AP is there. You can add A, you can add D. After finding D, I have to consider, because he is asking which term is the first negative. Let the term will be nth term. Nth term will be the first negative. So therefore I have taken as nth term is the first negative. This one. This nth term is the first negative. First negative means what? Definitely that is less than 0. So therefore I have written less than 0. And finally, what I got? The first negative is nothing but 28th term is the first negative. So this is the first question. First POIQ. Most important question this is. One of the exam question. Next, second POIQ. This is the first. Now second previous year question. Let's say what is the second previous year's question. First one is over. The second one is, if the seventh term of the AP is 1 by 9, what is given? If the seventh term of AP is 1 by 9 and ninth term is 1 by 7 and ninth term is 1 by 7, find, which term is asking to find? Find its 63rd term. Find its third term. This is the second previous year's question, and this question is from Delhi 2024. This is from 2024. This is the second previous year question. Let's see how to do this one. He has given two terms. He has given seventh term of the AP is 1 by 9. Seventh term means we can write A7. 1 by 9. But seventh term, we know the formula. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Means A plus 7 minus 1 into D. A plus N is 7. This is given 1 by 9. Or directly I can write A plus 6D is equals to 9. This is the first one. Now, again one more term is given. Ninth term is 1 by 7. Ninth term means A by 9. A9 is equals to 1 by 7. Again use the same formula. Ninth term A plus N minus 1 into D. Means A plus 9 minus 1 into D. A plus 9 minus 1 into D is equals to 1 by 7. Or A plus 8D is equals to 1 by 7. This is the second equation. With the help of these two, I can find my D. If I subtract the two equations, subtracting equation 1 from 2. I am subtracting first equation from second equation. What is the second equation? The second equation is A plus 8D. This one minus first equation is A plus 6D. A plus 6D is equals to 1 by 7 minus 1 by 9. Now remove the bracket. A plus 8D minus A minus 6D is equals to, if I write, I'll get this one. Plus A minus A gets cancelled. 8d minus 6d, that is 2d. But 2d is equals to what I am getting? 2 divided by 63, or d is equals to 2 divided by 63 into 2. 2 to cancel. So d I got 1 by 63. After getting the value of d, we can find what is a. The first term is anyhow required. For finding any term, I need to find the first term. But I got the common difference d I got. Substitute this value of d either in equation 1 or in equation 2. Anywhere you can substitute. Now, substituting d is equals to 1 by 63, I am writing in equation 1. This d value I am writing in the first equation. This first equation. Right? Wherever d, I write this value. Even you can write in the second equation also. No problem. You will get the same answer. So now let me write in the first equation. A plus 6d. 6 into d is 1 by 63 is equals to 1 by 9. 1 by 9. Now simplify. A plus 6 1 is 6 by 63 is equals to 1 by 9, or a is equals to 1 by 9 minus 6 by 63. If I find this 9 and 63, I will get 63 only. So 63, LCM is 63. 63 divided by 9, 7, minus 63 divided by 63, that is 1 into 6. So what I got? The A is equals to 1 by 63. So I got the first term also. The first term is 1 by 63. The common difference is 1 by 63. Now which term to find? What is asking? Find its 63rd term. I have to find the 63rd term. Let me find. Tell me what is the formula for 63? A63 is equals to A plus 62D, because the formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n is your 63. 63 minus 1 means 62 into D. So A plus 62D. What is my A? A is 1 by 63 plus 62 into D is again 1 by 63. 1 by 63. So 1 by 63 plus 62 into 1, 62 by 63. So further if I simplify, I will get 63, 1 plus 62, which gives me 63 divided by 63 gets cancelled. So therefore my 63rd term is exactly 1. So this is the second PYQ which was asked in 2024 day. Now the third PYQ. So let me start the third one. I hope understood. Very important. Even if the number changes, you can do like this, but the method is this one only. Now PYQ number 3, previous year's question, third previous year question. So let's see what is the third one. The third is how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 7? This is the third. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? This is All India 2013. Third PYQ is how many 3-digit natural numbers, 3-digit, how many 3-digit natural number are divisible by 7? Divisible by 7. And this is 2013. How many 3 digit natural numbers are divisible by 7. Now 3 digit natural number starts from 100. So which is the first 3 digit natural number which is divisible by 7? If I start, this is the first 3 digit natural number. 7 1 is 7, 3 0, 7 4 is 28. I got the first number. How to find the first number? Look at here. Just to do the subtraction of these two. 7 minus 2, 5. Plus add this number. So I got the first number. The first 3 digit number is 105. So the 3 digit natural number, 3 digit natural numbers divisible by 7. Divisible by 7. If I start, what is the first number? 105. This is the first 3 digit number which is divisible by 7. 107. Second, just go on adding the difference. Divisible by 7 given, no? Add. 112. Third, 119. Fourth, 126. And so on. But I have to write the last 3 digit number which is divisible by 7. So first 3 digit number, how did I get? My first 3 digit number is 100 divisible by 7. Divide that number, given number, you divide. I get definitely the remainder. So what to do? Just to do the subtraction. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 plus 100, that is the first number. Similarly, I can find the last number also. So what is the last 3 digit number? The last 3 digit number is 999. I have to again divide with 7 1 is 7, 2 9, 7 4 is 28, 1 9, 7 2 is 14. What remain? 5. But to get the last number, this time what I have to do? I have to only subtract these two, this one and this one. Whereas to get the first number, what I have told you? For first number, this one and this two. 7 minus 2, only subtract these two. What am I getting? 5. With 5 you have to add this number. That will definitely give you the first number. But for getting the last number, what the last 3 digit number? 999. This number I have to divide by 7. The remainder what I am getting, just you subtract these two. Which two? 999 minus 5. So this is my last 3 digit number which is divisible by 7. So 994. Hope these two you are understanding. First number how to get? First 3 digit number divisible by 7. Remember you are getting 7 minus 2, 5, 5 plus 100. Last digit, divide the last 3 digit number by 7. Again you get the remainder, but this time these two you subtract. Now I think this is an AP. If I am not wrong, this is an AP. Common difference equal. So the A is, the first term is 105. D even you can find. D is equals to A2 minus A1, means second term minus first term. Second term is 112 minus first term is 105, and this gives me 7. He is asking how many 3 digit number, how many? Once I told you how many, which term, means you have to find n. How many terms, which term, means only you have to find n. So I have to find n. And this is the last term, what I can write as an. 994. This is my last term is an. Just put the formula, get the answer. A plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 994. But what is A? A is 105. N I have to find. D is 7 is equals to 994. Now simplify, what are you getting? 105 plus 7 and then 7n minus 7 1 is 7 is equals to 994. Further, if I do the calculation, what I am getting? 105 minus 7, I think 98. 98. Yes. Plus 7n is equals to 994, or 7n is equals to 994 minus 98, or 7n is equals to, if I subtract 896, or n is equals to 896 divided by 7. Now divide what you are getting. 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 5 7 8 is 56. So what I got? He is asking how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by, how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 7. So what I got? There are 128 natural numbers. 128 natural number which are divisible by 7. So understood? He may change the number also. How many 3-digit number? He may give you how many 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 7, divisible by 9. He may give you how many 5-digit numbers which are divisible by any number. So method is this one. This is the way how to find. First you form the series. And that series will be definitely in AP. This is in AP. After writing the series, you can find A, you can find D, N will be the last one, find N, that is your answer. So this is the third PYQ. Now let's have the fourth PYQ. Let's see the fourth PYQ. The fourth one is which term of the progression will be 80 minus 80. Let me write the question. Which term of the AP? Fourth PYQ. Which term of the AP? The AP is given minus 7, minus 12, minus 7, minus 12, minus 17, will be minus 82. Is asking which term of the AP will be minus 82. This is the first question. In addition with this question, one more is there. Is asking is minus 100 any term of the AP? Any term of the AP is asking. And this question is All India 2019. This was in All India 2009 paper. So let's discuss this one. What is asking? Just a minute. What is asking? Which term of the AP? Minus 7, minus 12, minus 17 and so on. If you go on writing, will be minus 82. That means is asking if this AP you will continue. This minus 82 you will get in between. That minus 82 is asking which term. Just like this which term? First term, second term, third term. Like this if you go on writing, definitely you will get minus 82. And is asking this minus 82 is your which term. Let's see how to find. Now the given AP is what the given AP? Minus 7, minus 12, minus 17 and so on. This is the AP given. Okay, what is A? A is minus 7. What is D? D is equals to second term minus first term. second term minus first term is again minus. D is 5. A over D over is asking again which term. Which term means n amplified. Now which term will be minus 82. Let nth term will be minus 82. Let nth term I can write n. Suppose let nth term will be minus 82. Just apply the formula, get the answer. Nth term is what? A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to minus 82. A is what? A is minus 7 plus n minus 1 into D is 5. Sorry, minus 5. Minus 12 plus 7 minus 5. And D is your minus 5 is equals to minus 82. Now simplify. What you are getting? Minus 7 minus 5n plus 5 minus 5 and n minus 5n minus 1 is plus is equals to minus 82 or minus 5n. 5 minus 7 is minus 2 is equals to minus 82 or minus 5n is equals to minus 82 plus 2. Minus will be plus or minus 5n is equals to minus 80 or n is equals to what you are getting? N is equals to minus 80 divided by minus 5. Minus minus cancel. If I divide, I am getting 16. So 5 1s are 5, 5 16s are. So this minus 82 will be which term? Just I got. My 16th term will be definitely minus 82. Therefore, the 16th term is minus 82. The first part of the question is over. Up here it's over. First part of the question is over. But in addition with this first question, he is asking one more. Is minus 100 any term of this AP? That means if this AP you go on continue, is there any term which is minus 100? Means minus 100 you will get in the series or not? Check it. Let's see. Check. Now let again I have to check. Let my nth term is equals to minus 100. He is asking whether minus 100 is a term of this series or not. So what I am taking? Let my nth term will be minus 100. Let's see whether this is a term of the series or not. A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to minus 100. A, what is my A? My A is minus 7. A plus n minus 1. D is minus 5 is equals to minus 100. Further simplification gives me minus 7. Minus 5 into n minus 5n minus 2 minus plus 5 is equals to minus 100 or minus 5n. 5 minus 7 is minus 2 is equals to minus 100 or minus 5n is equals to this becomes plus 2 or minus 5n is equals to minus 98 or n is equals to minus 98 divided by minus 5 gets cancelled. So if I find 5 1s are 5, 4 remain 48, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 9s are 45, what remain? 3 remain 30, 5 6 is 30. Is it a term? Can I say this is a term? No, never. Because the term means it must be a whole number. But here I am getting a decimal. Or what I can say, it's a fractional form. So number, position, terms will never be a fraction. It may be the first term, it may be the second term, it may be the 10th term, it may be the 40th term, but it will never be 98 by 5th term or it will never be 19.6 term. So definitely this must be a whole number. It will never be a decimal or a fraction, and hence what I can suggest, what I can confirm, what I can got the conclusion that this minus 100 will never be a term of this AP. If you go on writing like this, this minus 100 will never be a term of this AP. You'll never get in this series. Which number? This minus 100 will never be a term of this series. So these are the few previous year's questions. In fact, the 4 most important selective previous year question I did. In the next video, I try to do some MCQ multiple choice questions, which is again PYQ previous year's questions, and along with some subjective.